This is the Altura Photo 62-inch camera monopod, heavy duty pole. Did I say heavy duty? I mean heavy duty. This is my second one. I lost my first one last year when I was on trail, but the other one I had for 4 years, and then I bought this one to replace it. Right now I have this swivel head so I can use some action cam, or I can directly mount a camera directly to it. Anything you want, I love it. The thing that I like most about it is it's super lightweight, and it is what it is. It is strong. Matter of fact, I take this with me regardless if I have my camera. It's the best walking stick I have. It really is. I love it. It has this thing here on the end, so it digs in when you need it. Otherwise, you can slide this down so you don't mess up the floors, right? So you can go down like that. But otherwise, man, I'm telling you, it's 62 inches tall. So yeah, it gets out there. Let me tell you, it goes and goes and goes. How tall do you really need it to be? Because it's a walking stick. They won't be saying you don't have a big stick on the trail, that's for sure. This Altura Photo is one heavy-duty walking stick. That's why I bought another one. It comes with a 1/4-inch universal thread, and I chose to put this swivel head on here so I can change it in all different directions. But that's how I'm using it. You don't have to. You can just attach anything 1/4-inch that you want to put on. It can be a light. It can be a boom microphone, because it's so lightweight. A boom microphone on this, like a wireless boom, it would work great. It has this nice foam comfortable grip right here, and it lasts a long time. My hand sweats a lot when I'm hiking, but it hasn't harmed this at all. And I've even put this in the water and dropped it on the ground and everything. So one of the great things about having a monopod in your bag is it allows you to take that real stable shot. Not only does it have a 1/4-inch head, but it has a 3/8-inch adapter as well. And it can support up to 5 pounds. Yeah, it's a heavy duty monopod for something that only weighs 0.59 pounds. These have always locked right in place for me. I have not had any issues whatsoever. When I've locked these things down, they stay. At least it's been able to support my weight. I've never had one come undone or loosen. I not only review it, I actually use it.